Kelly, what are you working on today?
We're working on putting Reflectix in the ceiling. Maybe in the walls too. Some of the walls.
Okay, we've never done this before, so. We're learning as we go.
We're gonna glue it and tape the edges with metal duct tape.
Uh-huh.
And then we'll put in foam insulation below that.
Okay. So I'm gonna be working on additional 2x3 framing, but we do have the door right here. So I can only go one more on this side right now, and then put 4, I think, over on this side, which is pretty funny because we were only able to buy 5 2x3s because we couldn't find any that were decent at $5 a piece. So I'll be putting one here and then mimicking this on the other side of the truck for right now. Then I got to get into some of this heavier duty work, which is removing this track and this door and this track. We're going to be putting our door right here in this corner in the back. We weren't going to do that, but we decided that if we got to replace a wall anyway, might as well put the door in it, so we don't have to cut a hole in the side of the truck. And I think all I can put up right now is 5, so that actually works out. Hey, does it fit right in there?
Pretty much. First one, the second one, it won't exactly, but it will just kind of go like that.
That's fine.
Yeah.
I guess I better get started. So far, so bad.
Oh yeah, let me get these pieces of tape. Make sure it goes this way.
Oh, nice. Is yours in there?
It's yeah, it is. Partway.
Now what? I think we have to go like this, upside down bow.
Yeah.
And then see if it'll pop up. Boom. Wait, be careful. But it's coming down a little bit. I need something to hold it right here. You could hold it.
Don't stop.
Yeah.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.
So we started with the Reflectix on the ceiling. We're, what, 75% of the way done, it looks like, with the ceiling Reflectix? Yeah. We're planning on getting started on the walls today. Also, we already started working on the foam panels. So we've got 1-inch foam panels right here in these front two, between the front 3 beams, I guess you'll call them. And that's only 1 inch, but I'm adding a beam here, a joist, I guess you could call it, on the top here that will go across, be approximately 2 inches tall and 2 1/4 inches wide. It's going to be triple stacked 3/4 inch plywood to give it some rigidity, and that should hold up for, you know, the long haul. And those will go across here, so where we've got this curved ceiling, now we'll have this straight flat level ceiling going across, and it'll be below this. And we plan on adding some more insulation in between those beams, or joists, or whatever you want to call them. So all total, we should have about 3 inches of insulation in the ceiling, plus the Reflectix. So I did a calculation, and it should take less than 450 square feet of Reflectix to cover the entire interior of the box, the walls and the ceiling. I also wanted to add that we have never done any of this before. I've done home construction, it's not exactly the same. It's similar, you're always trying to keep everything lighter, but you're doing a, kind of a similar thing. As far as this insulation goes, I've never done any insulation like this, and I've never used Reflectix in my life. So it's, just don't be intimidated by the job. We left this square hole right here to put, well, we're not sure if we're just gonna do a skylight in the shower, because this is where the shower is gonna be, or we're gonna do a fantastic fan there yet. But that blue square right there is where the big one is, where the shower is gonna go, and the toilet is gonna go. It's gonna be all in one. So much fun. This is where the original 12-volt light was in the back that you could turn on from the front cab. And so I just pulled the wiring out, and now we're gonna use it for our own 12-volt light, something a little more attractive than the ugly thing that was up there. Actually, it wasn't that ugly, but
It's too low though.
yeah, and I don't want to peel it,
Insulation.
and I don't want to peel it off the wall. I mean, off the ceiling, because I don't want to damage the fiberglass ceiling. So
Just for that.
yeah, that was the main reason.
Don't stop.
We're using heavy duty, I was gonna say super duper, but no, heavy duty liquid nails to put up the Reflectix. And we're using this tape that is made by Reflectix Incorporated. See, it says right in there, www.reflectixinc.com. fun yet, Kelly? Are you having fun, Kelly? She doesn't. She's not having fun. So now we got to cut this piece. It's the last piece for the ceiling. It's got to fit around this old light that we removed, the wiring from, and this 12 by 12 square that we cut for a skylight. Just picked up a bunch of sheets of poly iso continuous insulation, which is what we've been using already. So Kelly spent the last couple hours trying to squeeze that Reflectix in around the only curved part in the whole box. Here's the air taking close. All this other part took us days. This part took us about 20 minutes.
Yeah.
This whole side. We're not done yet, but it's close. Hand off. Hey guys, I wanted to let you know where we're at with the installation. We actually moved ahead. We've gotten some more done that I didn't shoot video of, but as you can see, the entire ceiling is finished, including this piece which I mentioned, where we've got the 12-inch cutout for the skylight, and this right here, we're going to just spray some foam insulation in there, take care of that. Put the framing back up. You probably noticed that was removed. That was so that we could get these 1-inch panels back here. And now we are actually starting to work on this front area, and we're putting the 2nd inch of foam insulation right here. Each of these is R6 value. That means R12 between the two here, plus R3 for the Reflectix. So we're at R15 right now, and we might add another 1/2 inch or something out here, which is, you know, fairly substantial for an RV. So of course, if you're getting something out of these videos, I hope you are, out of this box fan series, please think about hitting the thumbs up for the video, subscribe to the channel. It would really help out a lot, and leave a comment. I love reading the comments. I'll get back to you, I promise. Okay, this has been Greg with Fit for Expedition.